Hello everyone, Daniel here with the Peasants YouTube channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today we're going to be taking a close-up look at this Purple Panda Lavalier Microphone kit right here. This is going to be what I'm going to be using upon creating content when I'm riding. I do have an EB-5 electric bike. I've also done a review on that. I'm also getting an 8,000 watt e-bike as well coming in, which I'm going to do an unboxing, a full review on that for you all as well. So this is what I'm going to be using to create content for you all, so that way I can get more quality audio upon riding. We're not hearing a whole bunch of wind. You kind of get the idea. So if you have any questions about anything that you hear or see throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you, drop a comment below, and I'm going to do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. I will also leave links for you in the description below so you can check this out on your end. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. Now this is a bit fuzzier than I would like, but we'll be alright here. So this is the felt bag that the lavalier microphone kit comes in, and it is from Purple Panda. Again, links will be for you in the description below. I'm going to take out everything that comes within this bag right here, and that's everything. So here we have some tools. We have a clip here. It looks as though we have a windscreen. This is actually really cool. Right here, it looks as though we have an audio extension, so you can kind of extend your audio there. Here you have an adapter. And this extension here is going to be 3.5 millimeter here on out. Here is another adapter right here. They are different. And here is the lavalier mic. This is actually not included. This does not come in there. I kind of just left it in there for organization purposes so I didn't lose it. And this is the lavalier mic itself. As you can see, it's just a simple 3.5 millimeter microphone. Allow me to kind of unmask it here. This is what the microphone itself looks like. Very small, very compact, and this is the clip right here. So here's one clip. Here's another clip right here. You could essentially mount it to anything. And the wire is actually pretty long, as you see right here. And it'll be up to you. You can use this windscreen that it actually comes, or that comes on there, or you can use this other one that it came with. And this is like a fuzzball here, so it's kind of like to each their own. I think it's more a personal preference. For me, I think this lavalier is 10 times out of 10 going to be sitting inside my helmet somewhere, so I'm going to run with this one, as that one is more than enough. However, let's say your helmet's not closed off and you want to use this right here, you can go ahead and do so. The hose right here, just place it on there and off you go. Clip this to whatever you're going to clip it to. That's actually really cool as well. I would definitely use that. Let's say if I'm recording inside with this microphone right here, then I would probably just have that there. But this one right here is going to go inside my helmet, so I'm going to use that. But I just wanted to show you all that as well up close. This is actually really cool there. And again, another long cable here. I'm going to be running this directly into my GoPro, so be sure to stay tuned for that. But for those who are curious on what comes within the kit and wanted to see everything up close, minus this adapter right here, this is everything that is included. Long cable there, lavalier. So let's say you needed to extend this for some reason, you can plug that there. And then extend this to wherever you need, so you have that long of a cable. I will do another video when we test the audio quality for that. Before this, again, I just wanted to show you the initial impressions and let you see everything that is included when you purchase this specific mic setup. Now, if you have any questions about anything that you see here, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment below, and I'm going to do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. Again, stay tuned. I'm going to make more videos on the audio quality. I'm going to show you how I go about setting it up with my GoPro. So yet again, be sure to stay tuned for that. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for me, as I would truly appreciate the support. I also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have an Instagram and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support on there from you as well. Thank you all for tuning in. Have a great day.